All of the snow that hit southern Ontario in February really hampered my ability to work on my golf swing. For March, my focus is switching from my swing to my clubs.
Stu, every time we work together, it seems like you're always disappointed in my clubs.
Well, Mike, in fairness, that's only because you have 5 of them. And we're allowed to have 14 in the bag, and we could probably put together a better mismatch than what you have in there currently.
Well, in my defense, I can barely hit these 5 or 6 clubs, so that's why I haven't figured that I've needed more. But today we're all talking about club fitting. Now, I had assumed that club fitting just meant in terms of sizing the clubs to the actual golfer, but what is club fitting?
By utilizing your height, your speed, your posture, arm length, skill set, you name it, we can really tailor a set of golf clubs to you. Not a lot different than if we were making you fine, custom suit or anything like that.
Why is it necessary if you want to get better at the game of golf?
If we optimize that golf club to your attributes and what you do best, we're going to make sure that a good golf swing produces good golf shots, and those other golf swings that we make that maybe aren't as solid still lead to better results.
How do you decide what clubs will be a part of a set when you do a club fitting?
One of the biggest things I always tell people, I'm not going to tell you what you're going to play, you're going to tell me. I'm going to maximize the attributes of the club. We'll start generally with the iron set. The iron set is the largest group of products that we have in our bag. It could be anywhere from 7 to 10 of our 14 golf clubs that we can have in our set. Then we're going to take a look at the driver. And the driver is really important because we want to know how far you can hit that. We're trying to get you to 300, so we want to maximize the potential of your driver. From there, we're going to take a look at the clubs in between. That could be fairway woods, that could be hybrid clubs, and we're going to space all of those out so that you're never at a spot on the golf course that you don't have a club in your bag to help you.
We're starting with the 6-iron, and right away, I could feel a difference between club heads just in terms of how confident I felt standing over the ball. But once I got the Ping 6-iron in my hands, distance, accuracy, and most importantly, consistency seemed to flow from that club. I hit one 6-iron 193 yards. After that, Stu decided that the Ping irons would be in my bag.
So finding that middle club in the set, making sure that we optimize the performance from there, gives us our best chance to make sure that your whole iron set will be consistent, optimized, and best performing for you.
Hybrid, 3-wood, and driver were next on the list. With a couple of options, I felt like I was smoking the ball, but the distance wasn't there. Stu chalked that up to a bad fit. However, once I got the Titleist woods in my hands, the ball really started to take off. At the start of the series, I hit a Boro driver 243 yards. I matched that distance with just a hybrid. My swing has gotten a lot better, and now I have the clubs to match that improvement. I was able to get my distance from the 240s into the 250s with just a 3-wood. This one went 259 yards. I'm leaving my driver in the bag for now. I want to see how much distance I can get with more practice and swing refinement before I really start letting the big dog eat.
We're maximizing your yardage, we're getting you a ton of distance, that's kind of why we're here, but we're making sure that you're going to be the best player you can possibly be when you get out on the golf course as well.
So Stu's happy with my progress, but not as enthused about my clothes.
Mike, we've got your set figured out. We've got that equipment that's going to go in your bag, but we've got to start getting you dressing like a golfer. The sweatpants and the shoes with no laces, they just aren't going to cut it anymore.
Mike Arsenault, Global News.